EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for July 2nd, 2019. We're going to turn hotter today, but we are going to have the opportunity for some scattered showers and some thunderstorms today. There is a marginal risk for severe put out by the Storm Prediction Center at the time this video was recorded that it actually takes care of most of the interior portions of our region, which is much of Pennsylvania, all the way down to about Philadelphia, maybe just southeast of there. But we'll have some areas will get a few showers this morning, mainly before noon. Then the sun comes out, you get unstable, and this afternoon we have some scattered showers and thunderstorms. That is what the marginal risk is for later this afternoon and evening, as that works its way to the south and east. Not really showing too well on the global model. So as we get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, I'm going to start this off at 8 a.m. just so you can see where those showers and embedded thunder is at this point. As it's moving its way south and east, there's not a lot of instability to take advantage of at this point, so you could have some thunderstorms with this, but it won't be anything that will require severe alerts or anything like that at this point. So this is looking at 9 a.m. Here is 10, here is 11, here is noon, and then that's out of here. So we will have the sun come out in between here. It's going to get quite steamy. Humidity is going up today. Temperatures are going up. And areas farther south and east here, which is not going to get into those early showers. If you've noticed, it's just the northern half of the region here, northeast PA, maybe parts of east central Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey is really the only areas that are dealing with this. So areas further south and east might not get into that at all. So we are making a run at 90 degrees. Philadelphia points south and east easily. But up here we have that early shower, or at least clouds. Cloud debris from those showers and or embedded thunder. It will keep temperatures in check somewhat initially, so that will allow temperatures only to reach the upper 80s in these locations, 86, 87, 88-ish in those particular areas. So as we get through the afternoon, though, the instability will come back. Here's a look at 3 p.m. Right near the New York-Pennsylvania border, we're going to have a line of storms that's going to start to form and drop south. So here is 4, here is 5, here is 6. And right at dinner time, it's on a line between State College and Mount Pocono and the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre area. And then it works its way south and east from there. Here is 7, here is 8, here is 9. It's just about to Philadelphia here at this point. And once it gets to Philadelphia, it starts to weaken a little bit before it runs to the coast and runs into the sea breeze and things like that. Still thunderstorms here, just not looking at any severe weather once it gets that far south and east. And that will exit the coast and be off the coast overnight. So that's what we're dealing with today. I think this is along that frontal boundary. There's a frontal boundary that's going to move through the area and push south of the region on Wednesday, and that's actually going to keep us primarily dry here on Wednesday. As a matter of fact, to go back to that, here's Wednesday. We have an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible in some areas. Actually, not even isolated. I think we put a stray thunderstorm, and that would be out here in central PA if that were to occur. Just a stray shower or thunderstorm out in those areas. Everywhere else should be dry here on Wednesday as that front is off to the south. So let's get ahead to Wednesday on the global models. You can see that here. The front is down here now. So our area, for the most part, is dry. Just a stray shower or a thunderstorm possible here on Wednesday. Now, it's going to remain hot on Wednesday. It's going to remain hot actually the rest of the week. The 4th of July looks like it's going to be a hot and steamy day. Wednesday is going to be a little bit lower humidity. Then we go into the steam bath here on the 4th of July. So if you have any outdoor parties or picnics or anything like that, fireworks to attend, I have better news for you today. Okay, now this is not a final call here or set in stone, but this is a look at Thursday evening. Okay, scattered showers and thunderstorms are out in western Pennsylvania. Most of our area is dry, according to the global models. If this holds, this is great news if you have evening fireworks or even any parties planned here on the 4th of July. The only problem with this is, temperatures are going to be hot and steamy, 90 or above, and with the humidity, you're going to be in the mid-90s with the heat index values. So it will be uncomfortable outside, certainly, but, I mean, it's the 4th of July, so whatever. It's expected for this time of year on the 4th of July to be pretty hot and steamy. That's typical of the 4th of July. So as long as it stays dry, I think we'll take that. And it looks like maybe if there's anywhere that's going to get into the action here for any scattered shower or thunderstorm activity, the global model is suggesting maybe south central Pennsylvania, Harrisburg over to York, and maybe points west. As of right now, I mean, yesterday we're looking at this was a little bit further east. It's starting to trend a little bit further to the west here. Which might get all those areas out of the shower and thunderstorm chances entirely. We did leave an isolated chance just because of the holiday. Isolated things can happen, but so we're not taking it out of the forecast completely, even though the global models are suggesting it. We kept a 30% chance of a late day shower or thunderstorm here on the holiday itself. Now, Friday and Saturday are different, totally different story. Scattered PM thunderstorms here on Saturday. This will be ahead of a prefrontal trough. There's actually a cold front that's going to be situated up here. And way out ahead of it, you'll have like a prefrontal trough forming here. Now, it's uncertain how far east that gets, so the global models, again, are suggesting that maybe New Jersey stays dry or far eastern Pennsylvania. We'll see. But it does look like an active time frame, at least for central PA, and then we get to Saturday, and we have more scattered showers and thunderstorms. This will favor possible severe weather. Actually, Friday and Saturday have an opportunity for severe weather if this synoptic setup holds. But it does look like Sunday, the front will be off to the south again. We'll have a Sunday. It's very similar to what we had this past Sunday, where it was, mid-80s, lower humidity, and partly cloudy. So that's the way Sunday is shaping up right now. Of course, as it going further you out in time, these things can change, so just follow back with us throughout the week. And then Monday is also partly to mostly sunny day. Maybe south central PA gets into shower here, according to this particular model, but I wouldn't put too much stock in that. It looks like the front's off to the south, so it should remain dry for most areas here on Monday as well. As we get into Sunday, Monday, just like this week started out, where it was a little cooler, not cool, but cooler, not 90s, maybe mid-80s or closer to average for this time of year, and lower humidity. Looks like it's going to be the case again to start early next week as well. So just have a couple days here of thunderstorms here, but this is not total washout stuff, folks. I know there's got a lot of complainers about the rain, and here we go again with the rain. Well, it's really not that bad, and if you put this in perspective. I mean, look at we have today, you have those, I just showed you the simulated radar. It doesn't look like it's a total washout, just a couple times where it comes through. When those storms come through, they're 30 to 45, maybe 60-minute duration, in and out, and they're done. Same thing's going to happen the rest of this week. Actually, Wednesday looks like it's going to be dry everywhere, or most everywhere. Same thing here for Thursday, except for maybe south central Pennsylvania, which is the actual holiday, so that's a pretty good day. Friday, still a question of how far eastward this gets, so many areas may stay dry here on Friday, or mostly dry until at least later in the day. And then it looks like just Saturday you're dealing with scattered showers and thunderstorms. But this is not an all-day thing, even though it's looking like it. This is a global model we're looking at, so it's looking at the previous 6 hours total of precipitation. It does not mean that for 6 hours straight it's raining and you're getting these kind of totals in 6 hours. Okay, so there will be breaks in between. We'll call it variably cloudy on Friday and Saturday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible, favoring the afternoon and the evening. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for July 2nd, 2019. Have a great Tuesday.